Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the versatile Haotian white storage bench entryway, a perfect blend of style and functionality for your home. This innovative bench features a lift-up top that reveals ample storage space, complete with a comfortable gray cushion for a cozy seating experience. Designed with two adjustable shelves, it accommodates various shoe sizes while its ventilated drawer face helps prevent unpleasant odors. The modern louvered design and neutral color palette make it a stylish addition to any room, whether it's your entryway, closet, or bedroom. Crafted from high-quality MDF, this sturdy bench is both waterproof and dust-proof, ensuring long-lasting durability. With dimensions of 35.4 inches wide, 13 inches deep, and 19.7 inches high, it supports up to 220.5 pounds and comes with a straightforward installation manual for easy setup. Enhance your home decor and simplify your space with this chic and functional storage solution. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.